I'm unmuted, so I'll go ahead. I've got a couple demos this morning. Oh, which screen? I think you want, oh boy, which one? This one. Everybody should see Omni IDE in dark mode because that's my preference. So yeah, I've got three things that I want to show this morning. The first is actually really a shout out to Jonathan, other Jonathan. First, I want to shout out for something he jumped in, even though he's out on paternity leave this week. He jumped in, he saw some Slack thread and jumped in and solved some weird unlimited query caching bug. And, he identified it, root caused, had a fix the next morning. So even though Jonathan's out, he's still in the mix. And then the other thing that I'm showing off, really credit goes to Jonathan. He developed all the backend stuff, and I just wired up the front end. But and I'm showing this in my local just because that's what I've got up. But this is live in production. So suppose I create a query and I go in and I chart it as a table viz, and I hide hides obviously meaningless query, but I'm going to hide this in the table viz, and now I go into download, pull down advanced. We now have this new feature to exclude or include the hidden columns. I'll show excluding them is the new functionality. The existing functionality is to keep them included. So the default is to include them. If I exclude and download, let's see, if I open this up, you'll see that all we got is the age. Oh, that's interesting. I think that's probably more of a numbers thing than it is us. So that's a nice addition. Caveat, this is currently only supported in workbook downloads. Corey is kicking off right now a project to bring all of the new functionality that we have in workbook downloads into dashboard and drill downloads. So hopefully we'll have parity before too long. But that is the last net new functionality that we're planning to add to this stuff right now. Okay, so that one works. Again, credit to Jonathan on that.